Weight loss is always on top of all our minds, isn't it? I mean, who doesn't really want to be in shape? No wonder that the internet has been buzzing for years together now with all kinds of weight loss diets. 2024 has not been different. A lot of us have ended up these viral trending diets. What were these diets and how will they continue to be the top trends even in 2025? They were a rage in 2024 and dominated our Instagram feeds, our timelines, and also made way into our lives. I'm telling you about the weight loss diets that became blazing hot in 2024 and possibly will get hotter and more popular in 2025. The 75 Hard Challenge, created by Andy Frisella in 2019, became a rage in India this year. These were the rules of 75 Hard. No cheat meals or alcohol for the full 75 days consecutively. Exercise twice a day for 45 minutes each time, with at least one session happening outside. Reading 10 pages of a book every single day. The book should be non-fiction and focus on self-improvement. In India, fitness influencer Ankit got new fame when he launched the demanding 75 Hard Challenge on Instagram to enhance his mental fortitude and self-discipline. Later, a weight loss method known as a 30-30-30 approach also went viral on TikTok. This diet involved eating 30 grams of protein during the first 30 minutes of your day before completing 30 minutes of low-intensity exercise. Experts say exercising and increasing your protein intake in the morning may contribute to a calorie deficit and help you make healthier choices throughout the day.
The 30-30 rule is, in the first 30 minutes of waking up, you consume 30 grams of protein and then you immediately do 30 minutes of cardio. So this system has started recently and a lot of people have seen some amazing results because they're able to burn more fat. So the con over there is, for me as a natural nutritionist, is that in the macros, protein, carbs and fats, I prefer people to not take supplements, but I prefer for them to take natural food.
The 90-30-50 diet began trending in the year 2024, quickly gaining attention on social media with its fair share of likes and shares.
Recipe calls for both chocolate protein powder and collagen, and it had 44 grams of protein. For lunch, I had this quick chicken coleslaw salad. I love adding coleslaw mix for a one-pan dish. It offers a ton.
This diet promises weight loss and better overall health with a simple formula: 90 grams of protein, 30 grams of fiber, and 50 grams of fat every single day. It sounds easy enough, but the real question is, does it really work?
So what is this 90-30-50? It means you take 50 grams of carbohydrate, 30 grams of fat and 90 grams of protein. What people do the mistake is they do low carbohydrate, low fat and low protein. And that's where they begin to lose weight very fast, 5-10 kgs, but they have lost muscle. And the moment they get off that low calorie diet, they bounce back with fat because now your muscle is much smaller. So at the end of the day, all of these diets have some science behind it, but no one size fits every person.
And this one actually looked doable. The Mediterranean diet, which emphasizes on plant-based foods and healthy fats. Well, you mostly eat veggies, fruits and whole grains. Extra virgin oil is the main source of fat. The Mediterranean diet can lower your risk of cardiovascular diseases and many other chronic conditions. Then the 5-25-25 diet went viral in 2024. The plan is the brainchild of US-based online fitness coach Julie Capozziello. Whatever diet plan you decided to choose in 2024 and decide to go ahead with in 2025, remember, it should be tailored to your specific body type, your needs and your health conditions.